This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, the agenda of the session will be like today will be seeing like what are the operators that have been available in Java, and then we'll go with conditional statements that have been available in Java, as well as the looping statements. What are the looping statements that have been currently available in Java? So those are the fundamentals. So if we are good with fundamentals, means we can able to easily learn all the additional advanced things, like uh, like if you are supposed to work on with any kind of technical interview, you are going to attend any technical interview, means they will try to make sure whether you are being more strong with fundamentals. So you are so strong with your logical, and you can able to manipulate the data, means you can able to crack any interview. Okay, so is my screen is visible to you guys? Just wait, I'll just launch my Eclipse. So initially we'll start the session with what are the operators that are been available in Java. So we'll start with that, and we'll discuss in operator in Java. It consists of several operators are there actually. So we'll discuss one by one today. Okay. The first one will be the types of operator. Types of operator. Types of operator. Okay. Types of operator in Java. So the first one will be like, so the first one will be array, arithmetic operator. Uh, Arithmetic operator. Do you guys have any idea about arithmetic operator?
Addition, subtraction,
Yeah,
multiplication,
it
division.
simply defines you the basic math operations. That's typically addition, subtraction, and multiplication, as well as division, and then another one is modulus. These are the fundamental steps, fundamental operators that have been available in Java. So we'll just see one by one. First, we're gonna sorry, so okay. The first one is we're gonna see what is additional operator, addition operator. Suppose just consider you have two numbers, 1, 5 plus 3. You are trying to you- just see we've been used additional operator in two ways. Just see here what will be the output for this one. Can anyone have a guess?
It
It's
will
So
5
add
plus,
the yeah, it will add the number and give it as 8, isn't it?
yeah, because plus will be act as a two plus will have a property as like polymorphism property is that one, it will be append a string. It is used to concatenate two strings actually. That's the first property. And the next
Mm.
next is it will add. If you are going dealing with number means, it will add two numbers. That's the thing. One is concatenation, and then the other is addition. The plus operator has two things right here. Okay, so you should know that part first. So when you are trying to run this one, you just see what is the output of it.
53.
Why?
As I said, the place is worked as a polymorphism. It's not adding two numbers.
The operator will work from left to right. At the start, we've been having string. Okay, the string, when you are trying to add string and a number means, it will automatically, the Java compiler will convert the other to string only. When we are dealing with the string and the different data types means, it will automatically consider the other data also as string. So the additional operator colon, it will be considered as a string. Okay, so now then it will just go to the next operator. Then the next operator also plus operator, but when we are going to first means, it will be totally converted to string. So when you are going to operate with string and the other number means, it will Java compiler will automatically convert the other thing also, other data type to a string. So that's why the output has come as 53. So if you want the exact addition operation means, just consider right here. No, just put it this way. Here I'm just removing the a string that has been attached to the console. Now just see, the output will be as expected. You can able to see here now. So that's
So
why I've
if
been first.
y-
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, sure, please.
so one I've got one doubt. Like the addition operator is a string and it is into that speech mark. So
Yeah,
if into the above line number 13, if I write after
yeah.
plus speech mark and inside the speech mark if I keep 5 plus 3, will the answer be additional operator equals to
Speech mark
8?
means the double quotes, right?
The double quote, sorry, yeah.
Yeah.
Would that be giving the answer additional operator is equal to 8?
What you are trying to do it here. So
I'm
you can.
just no, just a quote. If I add as a quote, yeah, will it work?
What is the code? Currently, it's been like +3. This is what it's been like. Oh, if
Yeah,
you
if
add
I
this
yeah, would that work?
one, right?
Yeah.
No,
No, okay.
it will just consider as a. Now
String.
you have two strings.
Two
The
strings.
output will be
Mm.
additional colon 5 plus 3. You just see. I'll just run it. Just see.
Mm.
If
It is
suppose,
just reading, it's not doing the function.
yeah, because it's a string. No, if you are dealing with string and the additional operator mean, it will just concatenate. Concatenate means it will just join the two strings.
Join.
That's the process. We'll just see the vice versa version right here. Just see, 5 plus 3 plus additional. What will be the output? Just see here. You can see, because
Mm.
the Java will execute the operator from left to right. So from left to right, there is 5 plus 5 and 3 are two numbers, integers. When you are trying to add with the plus symbol, when you are using to add with the plus number means, it will just do the operation of addition operation. Okay. Then after that, after adding those numbers, the output will be 8. The Then you are trying to concatenate with string. If any
Mm.
data type which is concatenate to string means, it will just add, it will just convert to string, and it will just append only. Okay, that's why the output has been given as 8 addition operator. Now you got the idea, right?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, that's the way. Like that, because the addition operator only you will get confused. when you are trying to work on with string and number, you will get confused why it's been like that way. It's been working in that way. That's why I've been given a detailed explanation in it here. So if you have any doubts in this one,
No, clear.
now it's clear, no?
Yeah.
So other than that, it's a simple subtraction action. So you will get it know like 5 minus 3, it will be 2. There is no much difference. It's a multiples of 3, it will give 13. So here the another trick right here. Just see. Another operator, what is another operator? That's a divide operator, right?
Mm.
So what will be the output of if system.printf 5 divided by 3, what will be the output? You have do you remember in max the division of numbers? You know that, right? Division of
Yeah.
numbers. While dividing a number, suppose consider you are going to do division operation. You are going to do division of 5 with respect to 3. With respect to 5 with respect to 3 means what is the remainder here?
2.
What is the quotient?
1.
Are you sure with that?
Remainder is 2.
Okay. What is the quotient
Quotient is 1.
right here? Quotient means how many times the number is been divisible by that number. It's
1.
okay. This is the one, right? So while you are doing with 5 divided by 3, you just see what will be the output. Okay. Sorry, just see what is the output of it.
1. So
Yeah,
it is so it is only taking quotient.
it's returning only quotient.
Hmm.
When you are dealing with division operator, if you are dividing any number with another number, it will returns only the uh, quotient value. Okay, it doesn't return the remainder value. So if you want to return the remainder value means we need to go for the modulus. Just see. You got it right?
Yeah,
If
so
you
it is
want to,
giving the remainder value, but it is okay. So modulus will give the remainder value, division will give the quotient value, but
yeah,
there is no
exactly, that's
function
the
where we can get both.
no, there is no function will get the both.
Okay. So it is incomplete, isn't it? So it is like half of the
No,
thing is done.
not probably. Why I tell you no? Suppose just consider you are going to pick only the even number in array. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just
Yeah.
you are going to pick a even number in a just I need to pick the even numbers starting from 1 to 100. So how will you consider a number is a even number?
To remainder 0.
Yeah, the remainder, if a number divisible by 2, it gives remainder 0 means that number will be considered as a even number,
Even
right?
number.
So at
Mm-hmm.
that time, which operator you will use?
Division only, not modulus.
Because if a number which gives the remainder as 0 means we need to use, if you are going to deal with remainder as a output means you need to go for modulus as a operator.
Mm.
Get it right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. We need to go do it like if 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 we give if a element which gives remainder means suppose 5 divided by 3, just consider it gives remainder. Okay, if it gives remainder means it 5 will be considered as an odd number. Yeah, it's 5 is an odd number. You know it, right?
Hmm.
5 divided by 2, because even number means 2. 2 is a even number. If you want to check a number as even or not, means it should be divisible by 2. Okay. So
Hmm.
if the
Hmm.
remainder is 0, means it will be considered as a even number. If the remainder is 1, means it will be considered as a odd number. That's the ultimate thing. It's a common max operation only,
Hmm. Yeah.
actually. Now you got it, right? These four operations: addition,
Yes.
subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. The typical difference is, if you are going to deal with the quotient, the output, the exact output means, if you are to deal with the exact output means, you need to go for division, and if you are going to deal with remainder means, you need to go for modulus. That's it, actually. Okay.
Yeah.
Modulus.
Yeah.
So we'll just keep this in a separate method. We'll just method. If you want to create a method means, it should define the access modifier public, and it should mention it like, if just consider, if this method is doesn't return any data, actually. So we'll just keep it as void, and we need to give it as a method name, arithmetic operations. Okay.
So when do we write void? Sorry, I'm not very equipped with this. So when we are writing public void, which means that what does it mean?
Actually,
Hmm.
public says the access modifier. If a access modifier, this is access, you can able to see public means we can able to access this method all over the project. If you mention the method with this
Hmm.
public means, you can able to access this method all over the project. If you for example, you are going to deal with inheritance concept. If you inherit this class to any class means, you can easily able to access this method. Do you have any idea about the inheritance?
Yeah. So
Inheritance
you're
means not,
saying,
yeah,
yeah, we can
extends keyword.
inherit.
Extends. Yeah,
Yeah.
extends. When we are trying to extend this property to another class means, uh, the property of these classes will automatically transfer to that class, actually. With respect to the object creation, you can able to access this method. Okay. This
Hmm.
is access
Hmm.
modifier. I will just
Okay.
access modifier. Then it is return type. So currently, void is a return type. Void means this method won't return anything. It's not return anything. Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
next is the method name. Method name. That's typically. So if a method
Okay.
requires parameter also, we can able to. This is the normal method with no parameter, actually. If you want to parameter means, based upon the needs, we'll do that. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
this. So if you want to access this, if you want to execute this method, okay,
Mm-hmm.
means what need to be done here. We've been already seen some, actually. Do you have any idea? Do you remember that anything? If you want to,
Initialize.
no.
No.
If you want to access this method means, if you want to access a non-static method into a static method means, you should create an object. Do you remember that? I've been created object at the day.
Yeah, I didn't understand that class. Sorry.
See here.
So
Ajit, it's too early for her.
Okay, okay, no problem. Just for the kickstart, I've been telling you.
Hmm.
So if you this is the non-static class, actually, which is non-static method. Sorry. So if you want to access a non-static method into a static method, main method is basically a static method. You see here, if you want to
yeah.
execute any kind of method in a class means, it should be declared inside the main method. If it is declared inside the main method only, you can easily able to get the output of it. So in order to do that, you should create an object of it. So object syntax will be like class name with a variable. class object. Class object equal to new constructor. Okay, so class object dot, just see, you can able to, now you can able to, you can see here now. So
Mm.
then after saving it, you just run, means the code will run. Okay, so suppose suppose the interview will ask, without object creation, how will you able to execute this method? Suppose some interview will ask. So if they ask that question, means if you want to avoid object creation, means, so you can declare a method with static keyword. Static, if you mention with static, means, so if you mention the method with static, means with the reference of the class name, you can able to access it. Just see here, it doesn't require it. Just see, it is able to access right here. If you are
Mm.
not mentioned the method with static, means the compiler will automatically throw, like, just see, you cannot make a static reference to a non-static methods, because if a class name is been called, if class name after the method has been called, means it is the representation of calling static method. So that's why it says, like, you need to, whether you need to change the arithmetic to static, or you need to create a new instance of object. Two things you need to have.
Mm.
Whether the first thing is, you should make the method to be static, or you should create an object. You have two options. So I will just choose static, because the interviewer asked, like, you should not use the creation of object and access the method. So in order to do that, we'll go with static method.
Static.
Okay, now you
Mm.
can able to just run it. You can able to run the output will be the same. There is no difference in the output. Okay, now you got the idea, right? How to access a method
Yeah.
inside a main method. If you want to avoid object creation and need to access the method, means you can simply mention the method to be static, so you can able to access the method with reference to the class name dot the method, means you can easily able to call that one. Now you got it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a simple operators and all we've been learned in our school days itself, because logical operators, no, do you have any idea about logical operator? And
And or
gate or
not.
gate. Yeah,
Yes. And or not.
logical operator. Logical operator. Logical operator. So we have logical operator as only three logical operators. One is and, or, and not. Okay. We'll just see and operator. So, so just consider you have two values. Okay, you have two values. Just consider 0 and, okay, 0 and 0. So you do you have any idea about truth table? Truth table.
True, 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 false, 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 true, true, false, false,
Yeah.
false.
So in machine language, zero zero will be considered as false. Okay, zero will be considered as false, and other than zero, like any number, other than zero, any number will be considered as true. Okay. So if you are dealing with AND operator means what is the condition right here?
Both should be true.
Yeah, that's what the typically. Let's see. Let's consider the first one as 2. Let's consider the second one as 3. Let's consider the both are 4. Okay. So just see. We'll just call this operator first. What will be the output for here? You just assume what will be the output for here. You just assume whether it's right or wrong. You just try to answer it. No worries
Zero
on that.
zero 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 is as you have mentioned above. Zero is false, so zero and
Yeah.
zero is false.
Okay.
I know Muninder said it's true, but I,
No.
because
False is false. True is true is true.
yeah, okay. So now the bottom second one is two and zero. So true and false. So true and false will be, I don't know. I think it will be
False only.
false maybe. Yeah, false. And then third one will also be false, and the fourth one will be
True. I think he lost the connection. Some network issue. झूठ का ही समाज में ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है खुद से people people like lies.
what to do, what to do. That's the reality. You
I think
cannot escape.
yes, he has some laptop issue, I guess, from the beginning. I think he is getting restarted.
Isha is a student, isn't it? She,
No, she is from institute, I guess. Yes, Isha.
oh, okay. I think so.
She,
She's admin. She's not there.
yeah, she will make some arrangements and quit.
Hmm. So, are you taking the class for the first time?
Me,
Hmm.
it's got this Wi-Fi disconnected. He sent me a message. Wi-Fi disconnected. He's connecting again.
Oh dear. Hmm.
This is the actually he is expecting some counter. Until that, he will tell some basic things only. But these are also very important.
Hmm. Yeah. I mean, for me, it is. I have to learn this so that I can
Yeah,
do the later part.
correct.
I have to understand actually. Then only I can do it.
Yeah. Ajit, we can hear you.
Yeah. My laptop got disconnected. No worries. We'll just continue.
Yeah. I can't delete.
Is my screen visible? No.
I haven't
No,
shared, I
not
guess.
yet.
Sorry, my laptop, my Wi-Fi got stuck.
Yeah. And now it is loading.
Right?
Yes. Oh, you can able to see you. About Yesh?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. Just try to answer this one. No worries. We have a couple of persons only, so I will go the concepts in a detailed manner. So you will get an idea when going to deal with conditional statements. And you'll easily able to identify those things. I will give some small problems. You just try to solve it. Okay. So what will be the output for this one? 2 and 0?
False.
False, right?
Hmm.
Okay. The next one?
False.
Okay. What will be the next one?
True.
All right. Just wait. We'll try to run this one. What is it? What is the output of it?
False, 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 and true.
Yeah.
But why is the number 5 and 4 are given
Actually,
as
if you are
4?
dealing with unconditioned means, it will return if it is unconditioned means, if the condition fails means it will return the last value actually.
Okay.
Just consider just 0
Hmm.
and 0. The condition fails. It will return the last value. Uh,
Hmm.
just consider 2 and 0. It will return the last value. You just consider 0 and
Yeah.
3. It's false. No. If it's false means it will consider as a 0 as a value. If it is true,
అయిపోయింది
it will consider, if it is the true means, if the condition satisfy means, it will just return the last truthy value. Okay. That's the nature of AND.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So it is
Hmm.
quite vice versa to OR gate. So OR gate will be like pipeline symbol. This is the OR gate. What will be the output for it? The first one, what will be the output?
False.
Next one,
Uh, I think it will be same.
true,
False, false,
true.
and true.
No, it's true,
True.
true, true, true. Because he wrote R, true or false. So always
okay.
true.
So try to answer the what will be the number it will, for run. It will be written like 0004. Just guess it. What will be the number right here as the output for our gate?
0, 2,
0, 2,
3,
3, 4.
0234, right?
Mm.
Just wait. Let's see. Just see why
5.
0235.
Is it taking the bigger number?
No,
maybe.
it will take the first truthy value. You just consider right here. It's right here first statement. Both are false value, so it will just take
Mm.
the false value as 0. Okay. The second
Mm-hmm.
statement, you just consider the truthy value is in the first itself. So that's why it takes like 2. Okay. But right here, it will take the falsy value only. So truthy value only. First truthy value. So right here, the first truthy value is 3. Okay. So in this statement, just consider right here, the truthy value will be the first truthy value is 5. The next only 4. If you have doubt, suppose just consider, we'll change this one. 4 and 5. What will be the output?
4.
As per the discussion right now, what will be the output? Now tell.
4.
It should be 4.
Yeah. Why it's oh, why it's been like that? 0, 1, 2, 3.
Save and compile again.
No, actually it takes the biggest truthy value number actually. That's what it says like. Correct. I thought it was. Yeah, yeah. That's the condition actually. If we are going to deal with R condition means it will return you the biggest truthy value. But if
Mm.
in terms of ungate means it will return the last truthy value because it does it consider as a long one. Just consider as 4, just 5. Last truthy value only it will take. Just see 0004. But now it will give us a 5. Why now it's 5. First truthy value or Just a minute, I'll just try to. Yeah, now I got it. It will execute what is the first truthy value from the order no from 0 to 1. What is the first truthy value it will return? That's what it behaves like. I just confused with the other languages actually. In C sharp, it will be considered as what is the last value it will be written. So that's why I've been just confused with that. No worries. It will return. You just be like it will return only the last truthy value, the first truth value, last truth value, not first truth value. Just consider for 4 and 5, the first truth will be 4. After that only it will be 5. So it will be written as 4 only. So just see right here, just see 4 and 6. So while in the R condition, it will returns the largest one. So in
Hmm.
terms of 5 and 6 means it will return the smallest one. So it will return now the 5. Why it will again return this?
Four. Oh, it is saying four. Why? There's no
Yeah, yeah,
four.
yeah. Yeah, I'm just seeing it. 1 and 6 means what will be the output for it? Yeah, now it says like 0. I think the compiler has some issues. No need to worry about that. This is what the expectation is like. You should know like what will be the truthy value or not. You're not going to deal with those things. You should know that what will be the output means. You should aware of it. Right here. Yeah, now it will be fine. Okay, no need to worry about that. The not means not will be like if you give this is out. If it true, it will give false. If it false, it will give true. That's it. That's what the not is. You just consider not operator is the exclamatory single will be the not operator. Okay. Now just tell what will be the output for it, and this will be like this one. Right. Operator is undefined. Okay. Just consider if the output is false means if you mentioned is not means it will give true. Give as the opposite one.
Yeah.
Just see the first one. If you give not means it will just give you opposite value. If true means false. That's it. Actually, these were the logical operators right here. I will share you these were the important operators that have been having right here. Other than that, we'll have some other operators right there. Logical operator, and then this one right. You seen that in relational operator equal to just compare two values not equal to greater than less than I will share you this whole document. If you guys have any doubt means you'll just try just ping me if you have any doubt means okay
Yeah.
and we'll just see the conditional statements for today and then we'll see the looping statements for tomorrow actually. So till then do you have any doubts till then the operator do you have any doubt?
No, Revo, please continue.
It's okay. If you have any concerns, means
No, that's fine.
do you have any idea about conditional statements?
No.
All
Conditional
right.
I mean,
statements. Acha,
If
if else, right?
if if else, nested if, and then switch.
Hmm.
Then the last one will be we have ternary operator also. Okay, so just consider you want to just consider you are going to apply for a voter ID. You are just passing the 12th grade right now. You are just going to apply the voter ID as a ID proof. Okay, what is the base ID proof? The voter ID. You have any idea about it? What is the basic criteria they will see?
Age.
Yeah. So
Age.
age will be like, just consider currently your age is 19. So just consider the condition will be if age is greater than 18, greater than or equal to, greater
Hmm.
than symbol, no? If the age is greater than or equal to only, you can able to system choose out eligible for voter ID. So if not means what will be?
Cannot vote.
Yeah, not
So
eligible for voter ID. Okay. So not eligible for the voter ID. This is what. So now our condition is will be like uh, our condition is now it is now what is the variable right here we have been declared. What is the variable? Yesterday we've been the day before we've been seen three variables. No, one is local, then one is static, then another one is instant. What is
this is
the
local.
what is, what is the name of this variable?
It's a global class level.
No.
Local.
Yeah. How?
Acha, it's local inside the method. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
exactly. So it's a local variable. So if you are declaring a variable with local variable means it requires what? It requires a value.
Value.
Okay.
Hmm.
So if suppose,
Declaration.
yeah, just consider if you are not declared means what it says like it should initialize the local variable. Just see the local variable age must not have been initialized. So
Hmm.
you can for it by itself you can able to see it's a local variable. Okay.
So, in a way, when we are saying that we are just giving a number or initializing equals to 19,
Yeah.
so that has got is just a number which is there because we are saying that if age is greater. Oh, do we mean that we are saying like that? If age is greater than 18, so program will go up and see, okay, the age is 19, so that's why he can vote.
Yeah.
So
So
it
if
has
you,
got a role.
yeah, it has that role. So suppose you suppose just consider I've been declare it in this here age. Okay, it's a parameterized method. So just here,
Correct.
you see it shows error because it requires the parameter. You can also declare it here. You have three ages right here. No, this is the dynamic method. That dynamic method checks what? It just checks whether a person is eligible for the voter ID or not. Okay. So just consider the first person age is 17, sorry 19,
Mm.
and the second person age is 15.
Mm.
Now you get it right.
Yeah, the
Lost your voice, but
connection.
okay. Yeah.
So
What?
basically, this is the most common thing which we use, isn't it? The dynamic one. So we are saying that the in the public static. I'm sorry, I'm just repeating because
Yeah, yeah.
I'm just learning.
No problem.
We have done it as a static, and we
Yeah,
have given an argument and in the argument we have given int age. So this is what it is making it dynamic.
Yes,
And
exactly.
we have written a program in between, not a program. What we say to the method. If is a method.
It's a method calling.
Yeah. So if is a method, so we are saying if age is greater than 18, then a voter can vote, otherwise he cannot vote. And
Yeah,
then
exactly.
output. So again, you have written the public static void main string. So would that be required again, or we can just avoid that line?
No,
Line number
actually,
58, is that needed?
yeah. If
Okay. Cannot hear
Actually,
you.
yeah, yes, actually what happened, the program execution starts with the main method. So the,
Uh,
if you run the program, it will directly jump to the 58 line. Okay.
okay,
with
Then,
okay.
in method only we can able to execute all the codes.
yeah,
That's the rule
Yeah,
actually. That's the
that's
rule.
okay.
That's the protocol we've been. Currently, we've been checking with the same method with different inputs. One with 19, one with 15, and one with 60. Okay.
Okay.
What will be the output? Just see here.
15 cannot vote, eligible for voter, not eligible. Why are you getting so many answers? We should get 3. Okay, the top one is also giving answer. Eligible for voter, not. We should get only 3 answers, right? Because we
Yeah,
are
yeah,
just checking for 19, 15, and 60.
yeah. That's what I'm to see. Whether we've been got anything more than this. Everything done. No. So if you have any doubt means you can just put it the breakpoint there and just try to run it. So the breakpoint will just directly go and run there. It will be directly stop it there. So this will be step into and just if you want to check the internal usage of method means you need to click this one. If you want to run step by step means you need to click one. So just click that, it will be check that one. Oh, sorry. I
if
left that
else
one.
if will
Yeah,
tell
that's what I have been left. That's why it's getting like that. That's it. Now it will give the output exactly. Now you try to run it. It will give. Just see now it will give only the 3 error. Before that it will be considered as a block. It's a simple block. That's why it's executed all that time. After if it's been executed, that it's not been eligible. So now it will be. So now consider if a person who is greater than 60 means we need to consider as the age which is greater than or equal to 60 means that person will be considered as senior citizens, right? Senior voter ID. Okay. So this is the nested for loop. If you want to check whether he is a person with above 18 age, and then after whether it has been above 18 means we need to check any further validation means. So in our condition, we'll be checking like whether the person is a senior or a senior voter or not. So we've been validated 2 conditions. One is the age with whether it is eligible to vote. The another one is after the age is eligible for vote whether he is a senior voter or not. 2 conditions we've been validated right here. Just here, only the 60. 60 it will be mention it like eligible for voter ID and then senior voter ID. We
do
can
some
able to.
alignment, Ajit, code alignment, so that people will understand. She will understand clearly.
Now it's fine, right?
Code alignment, there is syntax is there.
Yeah, just For the code element, you just click Control A, Control A. You put it Control A and Control I means it will align the syntax based upon the it's been represented. Now just see within the if only you've been mentioned like if. Now it will be clearly visible. Now you can get it
So
right.
this is nested.
Yeah, nested if.
So there are three things which we have said. One is if, which
Yeah,
represent only a block if we are
yeah,
using only if. And
yeah.
if else is, then we are opting. So either that or else the other thing. And the third,
Suppose,
you are saying that we are opting for two options. Basically, two
yeah,
conditions are added if we are writing it as nested. Or we can add many more as well. We can write
yeah.
more
We
if
can add many
this,
more
this,
actually.
this, this.
Yeah,
And at the end, we have to write one else, not else for each
yeah.
statements.
I just missed one. Else if I missed. Else if. Suppose just consider this scenario as well. Uh, you just consider like first condition if gets fails. If the age is not
Mhm.
greater than 80, and else if means it will check for the another condition. Else if age is age is less than 18. If age is less than 18 means it should be not for eligible. Then after that you can mention like if it is not then means if it is not like what can I say? If it is the age is less than 18 and you can use two conditions less than 18 and the age is greater than
60.
60 or 16 or 10. 10 means is a children. Just children's not children's
Eligible.
children's are available just for the not to think it logically, just for the condition purpose we have been checking it. If suppose the value has
Yeah.
been satisfying the conditions or not. So if the condition is not been validating all this one, you can put it like not eligible. Now get it right. What will be the thing is right here?
Uh, and
Just see
just
here.
just one question. So you're saying here we have added if age is greater than 18,
Yeah,
greater than equal to 18, then we have written again another if statement which is saying age is greater and equal to 60.
you should know that. First, just consider. First, I will
Hmm.
just let you know. First condition we have been just assigning it
So yes, actually the first condition is 19, right? So it will take the 19 as a number. Okay.
Hmm.
So then it is entering into the loop. So now it is checking
Oh,
int
okay.
age greater than 18. It took the value 19 and it is comparing 19 greater than or equal to 18. Yes, it is correct. Now it is going to be eligible for 18. Again, it is going inside the if, checking the 19 with 60. So 19 is not greater than 60, right? So it is coming out.
only. So you can mention it like voter ID is not eligible. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Munidhar, you do you have any doubt about this?
No, 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 no. It's simple one. I can understand. No problem.
Now you can understand, right?
Yeah.
The
So
alternative, if you have multiple conditions to check means, if you have multiple conditions to check means, we'll go for switch statement.
Ajit, can you please select all? Control A,
Select all.
Control Shift F. Okay. Yeah. Uh, People with alignment will, with curly braces will, she can understand. Okay, no problem. It's it's nothing difficult. Yes, it's easy only.
Yeah. Now it's fine, right? So we need to check what is switch statement and ternary statement, ternary operator only. Okay, right now it's been fine for you. Now the switch statement. Switch will require the value data. Okay. It require data. I will just remove the data. Based upon the data, it can have cases. Case 1. Just wait, just it's hard to type and just show you. Just see here. Switch case field type. Okay, this is the key. Just key age. If if age 18 means, you just consider age is 18. If age is 18 means, you can mention it like this one. Straight away it will check if the age is 18 means. Straight away it will check like, then you can just break it. Okay. If you want to check multiple conditions, if the age is 60, if the age is 60 means eligible for voter ID and a senior citizen. Okay. So if you have more than many conditions to validate means, you will go for switch statement. You can go for switch statement. So based upon this only it will execute better actually. So switch case will be executed like object. Do you have any idea about object? In API you've been seen that JSON object, no?
Yes.
So it will if you are having a data with JSON structure means you can easily able to retrieve. Is it right? With respect to the key, if you just call the key, the execution will be faster. It won't check all the values. For example, just see ID. ID is equal to 20, and then age is equal to 30. Okay. Now you are going to you are trying to uh, find the age. Only you are trying to find age. So in that case, it doesn't search ID and then go for ages. It will straight away search where is the age in the object, because it will just
Mm.
straight away check the condition. It won't check one by one. It's straight away in the table. It will just directly search that exact value. That's why if you want to search the exact value means you will go for switch. So in order to check multiple conditions means, if you want to check only the single condition means you go for check multiple values, but you need to get the single values output means you should go for switch. If you want to validate multiple condition means you need to go for if and else if multiple if else statements. Okay. So uh, just do you have any idea about ternary operator?
It's like
Yeah.
if then else.
Yeah, ternary operator will be like, do you see the ternary operator, Munta? Have you seen before?
Question mark followed by colon mark.
Yeah, it's a simple. If you want to declare any simple if else means you go for uh, ternary operator. The syntax will be like condition question mark the truth statement. If the condition satisfies means you need to execute the truth statement. No, so that statement should be placed here. And if the condition fails means the fail statement should be written here. This is what the syntaxes will be like. So just consider what is the if you want, you need to check, suppose uh, what I'm going to say like, yeah, what else? Yeah, just consider the number int number arithmetic number. Okay, arithmetic number is equal to 5. Okay, arithmetic number is equal to 5. If arithmetic number modulus of 2. If it is 2, I will checking. If it is true means we'll go with the truth statement like even number. If false, odd number. Now you get it right. What is it? Type mismatch cannot convert from row. Equal to 0. I just try to just left the condition actually. If the arithmetic, just see, if the arithmetic number equal to 0 means it should be, what is the output for the modulus? Guys, are you there? Hello, Mundar. What is the output for the? You
Hello?
just will just finish it up this one.
Okay. Arithmetic number modulus divided by 0, 0, 0. 5. 5, it gives no remainder. It will lose remainder. It is not is equal to 0. So then it will be odd number.
Yeah. So just see here.
So is it expecting try catch black?
Oh, sorry. Just see it's in add number. Now you get it right. So if you want to check any simple if else statement with, we can go for so many of the interview will ask like without using if statement, how will you print any two conditions based upon the based upon we need to check two conditions. So interview will check ask you like without using if, how you are going to check a condition whether the both truth value and a false value. So if they ask like that means you need to go for this approach. Okay. So till operators and conditional statement has been completed today. I will just share you a simple problems to solve by tomorrow morning. You just try to solve it. It will consist of only 5 to 6 problems. Only problems. You just try to solve it. It only based upon the arithmetic operators and conditional statements. Nothing more than that. Okay.
Fine.
Okay.
Now, till then, do you have any doubt about this?
No.
Any suggest any concerns or doubts? Please let me know if any concerns or doubt means you please let me know.
Yeah, I have to go through it again. So if I get any doubt, then I have to ask.
You can DM me. No need to worry about that. If you have any doubt means, will DM me. I will just share you
Okay.
that document also. You can just go through the document.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see the looping statements detailing. What are the loops that have been available in Java? We can able to see that one, and then we'll move forward to the data types. What are the data structures that have been available in Java? So we'll move to that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
So
We'll
to
see you
so
tomorrow.
So today we have done till that one break and continue nested loops we have done, isn't it? So next is debugging mode and oops. I'm looking at the Excel which you have provided. Is
Yeah, yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
what we have?
Yeah, that's the way we have been following. So we haven't done looping. Actually, while doing looping only, we can able to see that break statement and continue statement. While doing loop only, you can able to understand why what is the usage of break and what is the usage of continue. So that's why I've been not thought that area actually right here. So once we are seeing loop, we'll just see those areas. So what is the usage of those two keywords right there?
Sure.
Okay.
Definitely. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We'll see you on tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you, Ajit.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.